Welcome to the course Python Programming. I am Dr. P Govardhan, Professor of Computer Science and Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to learn some sample programs, ordered dictionaries, nested dictionaries, dictionary comprehension. Now, this is the first sample program. Write a Python program to create a dictionary and find sum of value. First create empty dictionary. P is equal to only curly braces. Now first I want to set how many elements in the dictionary. Say n is equal to of input, enter, next in the for loop for I in range n, for I in a range n, first I want to set equal to, I am assuming the key is integer value, put enter, key. Now and also value is equal to, assuming the value is also integer, int of input, enter, value. Value. Now I am using update method. Now the update method is dictionary d dot update of key colon value. Now for current I want to print the entire dictionary D. Now I am executing this program. The dictionary with 3 elements. Now first assuming key is a 1, the value is 10. Next key is a 2, the value is 20. Next key is a 3, the value is 30. Now assuming the dictionary, I want to find the sum of the values, sum of the keys. What is the key? 1, 2, 3. We can find the sum of the keys also, find sum of the values also. Now for this I am using the for loop for I in dictionary, Now I am calculating the sum of the values. Sum s is equal to, now P of I. Initially the sum is 0. Sum is equal to 0. After calculating the sum, I want to find sum of the values. Print the sum of the values. Comma sum. Now observe that I am executing this program. Now enter, assuming the number of elements in the dictionary 4. Now assuming the key is 1, the value is 20. Key is a 20, key is a 2, the value is 20. Key is a 3, the value is 30. Key is a 4, the value is 40. Now assuming the sum of the values 40 plus 30 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 100. The program. Now this is the program. Now this is the sample input, the output. Now the next program, write a Python program to display keys and the values dictionary. For this I want to display the keys separately. I want to display the values separately. I want to print the values for I in the dictionary. For I in, I want to print key, comma, then some arrow. After that, printing the values. Print the values. Now the D of I. Getting? Now I want to set number of elements. Dictionary is 5. Assuming the key is 12, the value is 45. The key is 34, the value is 31. The key is 56, the value is 33. The key is 57, the value is 89. The key is from 31, the value is 11. Observe the key 12, 45, 34, 21, 56, 33, 7, 89, 31, 11. Now the key and value will be displayed on the screen. Whereas in this program, now I am assigning the dictionary. Now this is static. I am assigning the dictionary. I want to print the keys separately. I print the values separately. Now for this, the output is like this. The keys in dictionary P R G Y. The values in the dictionary blue, red, green, yellow. Now this is the program. Next program, write a Python program to display keys and values in a dictionary using items method. Now I am applying item method. Now observe here. Now this is the first I am creating the empty dictionary. Now first I want to enter the number of elements in the dictionary. Now this is this. Assuming key is integer value, the value is also integer. Now I am using update method. This method is update the dictionary and this key value pair updated to the dictionary. Now I am using items method. Now d dot items method. Now this is only this step. Now whereas items method now is each key value pair is in the form of the tuple. For this I am using the two variables for I comma j in d dot items. Now simply I am printing here I is a key, j is a value. Now I am executing this. Enter n. I want to enter 4 elements. Assuming key is a 1, value is a 10. Key is a 2, the value is a 20. Key is a 3, the value is 30. The key is a 4, the value is 40. Observe this. 1 is a key, value is 10. 2 is a key, the value is 20. Key 3, the value is 30. Key 4, the value is 40. Now, this is the program to print the key value pairs using items method. Write a Python program to find the number of occurrences of each letter in a string using dictionary. Suppose assuming a string is a book. I want to print the first character B how many times present in the string. Next O how many times present in the string. K, how many times present in the string. Now I am using a dictionary. In the dictionary there is a method, get method. Now I am using the get method. I am showing the practically. What is the get method? Now I am explaining. Assume first this is the dictionary. This is the dictionary. The elements 1 colon 10, 2 colon 20, 3 colon 30. This is the dictionary. Now the get method. Now the get method returns. The get method, observe here, print d dot get of 1, get of 1. That is the key. The first parameter I am passing the only key. Now value will be returned. Value will be returned. Now value will be key 1, its value 1 will be returned. Similarly, get 3. Now the corresponding value will be displayed on the screen. Corresponding value will be displayed on the screen. Suppose assuming 4. I am trying to get the value associated with 4. Now to get none. That means there is no 4 in this. The key 4 is not present in the dictionary. Now I am passing the default value, comma 1, 2. I am passing the default value 1, 2, 3. Now observe here the output 1, 2, 3. Now the method get method is I am passing the two parameters. Now one is first parameter is value. The second parameter is key. The second parameter is value. The key is not present in the dictionary. Now the default value, this is the default value, will be displayed on the screen. Observe here 123. 123 will be displayed on the screen. Suppose the key present in the dictionary, the key is present in the dictionary, the corresponding value will be displayed on the screen. The corresponding value will be displayed on the screen. Now, this program, I am going to use get method. Now, assuming this is the string, assuming initially empty dictionary, Now, this is the string s is equal to book, s is equal to book, s is equal to book. Now, print. Now, the first character. Now, the first character I am reading the first character from the string. Now, the first character is a key, assuming P of B, P of B is equal to D dot get, D dot get of B, D dot get of B. Now, assuming what is B, 0. I am passing the 0. Now, after this, print the B, the string Now observe here, P is not present in the dictionary. P is not present in the dictionary. Now the corresponding key value pairs insert into the dictionary. The corresponding key value pair, that is D dot get returns 0, D of B is equal to 0, that is the corresponding key value present into the dictionary. Now P present one time. For this I am adding plus 1, adding plus 1. Now again I am executing this. Observe here, P is present one time. P is present one time. Next, now same I am applicable to O. O. Clearly, O is not present in the dictionary. Clearly, O is not present in the dictionary. The default value 0 returns. That is 0 plus 1, 1. D of O is equal to 1. That is the key value pair insert into the dictionary. Observe here. Now, O present one time. Now again I am reading the same step. Again the O. Now observe here, I am executing this. O is also present in the dictionary. O is present in the dictionary. Now key value key will be returned. That is D dot get O of 0 returns 1, 1 plus 1 2, D of O is equal to 2. That is O colon 2. This pair is set into the dictionary. The meaning is O present 2 times. O present 2 times. Next, again I am applying K. K. Clearly, K is not present in the dictionary. Its default value 0 will be returned. That is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. That is D of K is equal to 1. The key value pair K comma 1 will be inserted into the dictionary. Observe here. B 1 O 2 K 1. The meaning is the character B present one time, the character O present 2 times, the character K present one time. Now observe here, first I read the character B, then I read the character O, then I read the character O, then I read the character K. Now the same step repeated 4 times. Now for this I am using for loop. For I in the string S, for I in string S. Now D of I takes first B, D of I, generalization, D of I is equal to get D dot get I of 0 plus 1. I am removing D. Now observe this, entire the dictionary will be displayed on the screen. That means P present one time, O present 2 times, K present one time, K present one time. Now I want to display P present time, O present 2 times, K present 2 times. Now for this I am using items method. For I in D dot for I comma j in d dot items, print I present j times I present j times. Now I am executing this. Observe the output. P present one time, O present two times, K present one time. Now this is the, I am writing the program only for S. General, I am giving the input dynamically, input, enter, string, enter, string. Now I am executing this. Now I am enter any string, and I am executing this. I am enter any string, Now for convenient, I am enter the book. Observe here, book present one times, O present two times, K present one time, Again I am executing. Now generally we are using Python. Python is high level programming language. Python is high level programming language. In this, observe here, in this entire string, P present two times, Y present one time, H present three times, O present two times, N present three times. Now here also space is also a character. Space, how many times present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, space present 5 times, I present 3 times, S present 1 time, G 5 times, L 3 times, E 3 times, B 1 time, R 2 times, A 3 times, M 2 times, U 1 time. This is the general program. Next important function, zip function. Next important function is function. Now the zip function is used to map the similar index of multiple sequences so that they can be used as a single entity. This is the syntax. Zip, we have to pass parameters. Now here the parameters are iterables or containers. That is, iterables like list, string, tuple, etc. Now the zip function returns a single iterator object. Now assuming this is the list, L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the another list, M is equal to some 5, 6, 7, 8. Now assuming both length of L, length of M are same. Now how the zip function works? Now the zip function works, first letter 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7, 4, 8, 8. Now takes as a single entity. It takes as single entity. Now assuming C is equal to zip of L comma M. L comma M. Now, chip C is chip object. I am trimming. I am print C. I am print C. Observe the output. Now, this is chip object. Now, this is the chip object. Now, if you want to see the form of a list, now the convert the zip object as a list or a tuple. Now, I am converting C as a list. I am converting C as a list using list built-in function. Now, observe this. The output is like this. Now, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7, 4, 8. Now, 1, 5 is a tuple, 2, 6 is also a tuple, 3, 7 is also a tuple, 4, 8 is also a tuple. Now, the entire is in the form of the list. Now, this is the side tuple, that is list of tuples, the list of tuples. Now, we can create a dictionary, a list of tuples also. Say for example, now the D is equal to there is a dict function dict of C. Dict of C. Now D. Observe this. This is the dictionary. Now the dictionary contains 1 is a key, 5 is a value, 2 is a key, 6 is a value, 3 is a key, 7 is a value, 4 is a key, 8 is a value. Now this is the way to convert the dictionary to lists. Now suppose L contains only 3 elements, M contains only 4 elements. Now the zip function single entity is 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7 only. Now the dictionary is 1 is a key, 5 is a value, 2 is a key, 6 is a value, 3 is a key, 7 is a value. Now observe the output. Now this is the output. Observe 1 the key, 5 is a value, 2 is a key, 6 is a value, 3 is a key, 7 is a value. Now this ignored, this element will be ignored. Suppose assuming this is 4. Now again I am taking the another dictionary, again another list. N is equal to some 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I am using the zip function. I am passing P parameters L, M, N. Now I am printing print C as a zip object. Now I am converting the zip object as a list. As a list. Now observe the output. The output is in the within the list 1, 5, 10 is a tuple. 2, 6, 10 is a tuple. 3, 7, 30 is a tuple. 4, 8, 40 is a tuple. Now observe the output. Now this is the output. Now the entire list 1, 5, 10 is a tuple. 2, 6, 20 is a tuple. 7, 3, 7, 30 is a tuple. 4, 8, 40 is a tuple. Suppose now L contain 4 elements, M contain 4 elements, N contain 3 elements. Now the zip function zipping 1, 5, 10, 2, 6, 20, 3, 7, 30. Now 4, 8, this is the none. Now these two elements are ignored. Now observe the output. This is the output. 1, 5, 10, 2, 6, 20, 3, 7, 30. Now assuming it is a 4 elements. Now M contains only 2 elements. Now the G function output is 1, 5, 10, 2, 6, 20 only. Now 3, 4, here 30, 40 will be ignored. Now observe the output. This is the output. This is the output. 10, 1, 5, 10, 2, 6, 20. Now we can pass 4 lists also. 4 lists also. Now some P is equal to, now assuming I am passing the tuple 11, 22, 33. Now here I am passing the tuple P. I am executing this perfectly. You can pass the data type also. 1, 5, 10, 11, 2, 6, 20, 22, 22. Now the G function, now the 4 iterable objects convert into the single iterable object. Single iterable object. Now suppose assuming it is a string. One is a string. Suppose A, S, D, F is a string. Now the G function put as A, 5, 10, 11. S, 6, 20, 22. Observe the output. Now this is the output. First A, 5, 10, 11. S, 6, 20, 22 only. Now assuming the second also tuple, some P, Q, or S. Some P, Q, or S. Now in the zip function, the output P, Q, 10, 11, one tuple. S, Q, 20, 22, one tuple. D, R, 30, 33, one tuple. S, F, 40, 33 is a tuple. Now observe the output. This is the output. A, P, 10, 11. S, Q, 20, 22. D, R, 30, 33. 33. Now because here only 3 elements. Now this is one example. Suppose A is a string. A is a list containing a strings, that is Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Odisha. Now B is another list which contain Andhra Pradesh state capital Amravati, Telangana capital Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu capital Chennai, Karnataka capital Bangalore, Odisha capital Bhubaneswar. Now I want to convert this into dictionary. Andhra Pradesh is a key, corresponding state is a value. Telangana is a key, corresponding state is Hyderabad, value. Now Tamil Nadu is a key, corresponding capital is a value. Similarly, Karnataka corresponding capital, Odisha corresponding capital. Now first convert, first use the zip function. C is equal to zip of A comma B, of A comma B. Then convert C into directly dictionary, without converting list. Directly we can convert the dictionary C. After this, print the dictionary. Now observe the output. Andhra Pradesh is a key, Amravati is a value. Telangana is a key, Hyderabad is a value. Tamil Nadu is a key, Chennai is a value. Kerala is a key, Bangalore is a value. Odisha is a key, Bhubaneswar is a value. Next, ordered dictionaries. In the dictionary, what are the elements inserted into the dictionary? Now in the output, now the insertion order is not preserved. Suppose we want to make the insertion order is preserved. Now use ordered dictionary. These ordered dictionary, there is a built-in function ordered dict. Now, this function is defined in the collection module. Before, when you are using this function, we should import the collection module. That is, from collections import dict. Now, observe here, an ordinary or ordered dictionary is a dictionary. It will keep the order of the elements. The elements are stored and maintained in the same order as they were entered into the dictionary, ordered dictionary. First, we can create an ordered dictionary using the ordered dict method of collections module. We should import this method from collections. Now, this is the syntax: from collections import order. Now, I am importing the only this module. Suppose I want to import all the modules from collections import star. Now, this is the to create an ordered dictionary. The name D is equal to ordered dict. We can store the key and the values to the D. To the D. Now this is the way. D of 10 is equal to 20. D of 20 is equal to 30. D of 30 is equal to 40. D of 40 is equal to 50. Now here the 10 is a key, 20 is a value, and so on. From the ordered dictionary D, we can see the same order. What are the insertion order? The same order will be displayed on the screen. Now this is the program, Python program to create a dictionary that does not change the order of the element. Now this is the first ordered dict function is defined a collection module. We have to import ordered dictionary. Now I am executing this program. I am using ordered dict method or function. Now first import from collections module import star. Now I am assuming D is equal to ordered dict dict. Y is capital letter ordered dict. Now I want to enter n elements. N is equal to int of input put enter put enter n. Now for I in range n, assuming the key is integer, input put enter key assuming value is equal to integer data type of put enter value value. Now I am passing D of key is equal to value. D of key is equal to value. After that, I am print dictionary D. Enter 4 values. Key, some AS, value is a 10. Some key, what are the value? Some string SWE, value is 30. Now assuming the key ASDF from 345. Observe here. Now the order dict object now as 10, SWE 30, ASDF 40. Now it is in ordered dict object. Ordered dict object. I want to convert this as a list. You can convert this into the list also. Now this is the way to create a dictionary using ordered dictionary. Now for this I am using item method. I am printing keys and values are separately. Now this is the some input, this is the output. Nested dictionary. A dictionary within the dictionary is called nested dictionary. So for example, this is the dictionary. 1 is a key, 20 is a value. 2 is a key, 30 is a value. 3 is a key, the value is again a dictionary. Now the entire dictionary, within the dictionary there is another dictionary. It is called nested dictionary. And another example is also an example. 1 is a key, 2 is a key, 20, 3 is value. I want to display the value, the value associated with the key is print D of 3. Next, dictionary comprehension. Now this is the same as a list comprehension. In the list comprehension, we are using the expression. Here the expression is key value pairs for key value in iterable. Now that iterable may be a zip function. Iterable may be a zip function. Now the entire within the curly braces. Entire within the curly braces. Now create the dictionary. Say for example, I want to create the dictionary using these two iterables. I am using the zip function. Now assuming L is a one list, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. M is another list, some 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. I want to create a dictionary using the dictionary comprehension. D is equal to, now I am using the dictionary comprehension. Now the first is a key, assuming X as a key and Y is a value for two values I want to read, X comma Y in zip of L comma M. L comma M. Now the dictionary will be generated. 1 is a key, 5 is a value, 2 is a key, 6 is a value, 3 is a key, 7 is a value, 4 is a key, 8 is a value. Now I want to print the dictionary D is equal to D. I am executing this. Observe, the dictionary will be created. Now here I am using a list comprehension. 1 is a key, 5 is a value, 2 is a key, 6 is a value, 3 is a key, 7 is a value, 4 is a key, 8 is a value. Now suppose now another example, I want to create the dictionary I want to create the dictionary like this. I want to create the dictionary. Now 1 colon, it's a square 1. 2 colon, it's square 4. I want to create dictionary 3 colon 9. Again 4 colon 16. Now like this, I want to create the dictionary like this. I want to create the dictionary like this. Now for this, this is the dictionary. Directly I am writing, this is the dictionary. I want to create E and its square. E and its square. I star I, E, I star I for I in I comma j, for I in range, for I in range 1 comma suppose 8, 1 comma 8. I want to generate the dictionary. 1 is a key, it's square. 2 is a key, it's square value. 3 is a square is value. Now I am printing D. Now observe here, the entire dictionary will be displayed on the screen. 1 is a key, square. 2 is a key, square is the value. 3 square value. 4 square. 5 square. 6 square. 7 square. Next, suppose I want to create a dictionary like this. I want to create the dictionary like this. Suppose it is a string. S is equal to, it is a string. A, B, C, D is a string. I want to create the dictionary like this. Dictionary. I want to create the dictionary. A is a key. A, I am repeating 3 times. Next, B is a key. B is a key. Now I am repeating B 3 times. Next, similarly, C is a key. C is a key. I am repeating C is 3 times. D is a key. I am repeating D is 3 times. I want to create the dictionary like this using a dictionary comprehension. Using dictionary comprehension. Now observe here. Now this is the string. First I want to read the character A, that is I colon. Now I want to display I 3 times. I am using repetition operator 3 star I for I in S. Over. Now I want to print dictionary D. Now I am executing this. Observe, this is the output. A 3 times. B 3 times. C 3 times. D 3 times. And this is also an example. I want to create the dictionary in the range 1 comma 6, both multiples of 3 and multiples of 2, multiples of 3. Say x colon x for x in range 1 comma 10. I am using the condition if x modulo division with 3 equal to 0, if x modulo division 2 is equal to 0. Now that is, I want to generate a dictionary in the range 1 comma 10. The value and the key is multiples of 3 and multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. This is the program. I am going to stop here. Thank you.